Alright, hello everyone, what's going on? 2Bravo114 Logan. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install Gun.ASI for your FiveM application. So what you want to do is, if you were in JCRP, you want to go to your JCRP moderation section, and then you click the pinned messages. You scroll down, and then you find the pinned message by Jack, and it will say Gun.ASI. You open it, it will download it, it will bring it to your browser. If you use Google Chrome, it will download it basically instantly. Then it will appear on your downloads bar. Then you drag it onto your desktop. And then you right click FiveM. You open file location. And then it will bring you here. And then you want to go FiveM application data, plugins, and then you drag it in there. As you can see, my gravity gun is already in there, so I don't need to do it. And that's basically it, guys.
You make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.